Okay, hello everybody. This is Sky once again. Oh, $1. And I did the stupidest thing ever. I don't know what to mention. Yeah, I know it's the stupidest thing anyone could ever do. But you know, I do stupid things because I'm really dumb. Into this house with my friend Louise, and I think she got eaten by Aoni or something. Or maybe the Slenderman, though he doesn't have a mouth. Sorry. Who the fuck are you? Oh, what a nice name. No, you won't. I'm under a blanket. Oops.